house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
You have to actually have a particular rod. If you have a water softener, they actually ask you to change the rod, right?
Most definitely. You have to have a magnesium rod with the softener, because a softener system will eat that and the aluminum rod up within months.
Yeah.
I mean, it will just eat it up.
Okay. So we've got the unit drained. Let's talk about that anode rod. That you just look at the top of your water heater, and it'll be a, I don't know, is that a 3/4?
Yeah, 3/4, 7/8.
Okay.
Size socket. On most water heaters, that socket, there's a little socket. You can take the socket wrench and take that aluminum out, that rod out. If you don't see that 7/8, it's typically on the cold side of the water heater.
With the dip tube?
With the dip tube,
yeah.
And so that you'll take that, you'll have to shut the water off anyways and go ahead and pull that out, and then you'll see that the anode rod. And sometimes it'll just be a piece of wire. And that means when you see the wire, the anode rod's gone. But you should see.
If you see the steel rod skeleton.
Yes, like a piece of wire.
It should be about a 1/2 inch, 5/8 diameter.
Correct.
Kind of a soft.
Yeah. And roughly about 3 feet long.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then that gets eaten away.
Yes.
Slowly over time.
Yep.
Instead of the tank being slowly eaten away.
Instead of the tank getting attacked.
Yeah.
They call it a sacrificial rod, so it's for that reason.
We were talking anode rods as we went to that break, and Dustin, you've got spread out on here 3 great examples of a brand new one. It's it looks like a metal pipe.
Yeah, aluminum rod. Yeah, big, 5/8 in diameter, and about 3 feet long.
And the exterior coating is magnesium. It's a softer metal designed to be the sacrificial.
Yeah, the sacrificial. It's basically it'll start looking like this once it does its job.
And what's that material on the one on the anode rod in the middle, where like the magnesium's kind of?
So this is more of a magnesium. This is the aluminum zinc
that
come in standard water heaters. When you have a standard water heater, no water softener, you'll have an aluminum zinc type of anode rod that's in there. When you have somebody, a professional, if you want, say, to come in and put a water softening system or conditioning system of any sort, they should change this out to a magnesium type rod. And that's the only reason, is because if you put in a softening system into your house and start cleaning your water, within months, it'll look like this. And I mean, within months. You may even get some stinky water because it eats it so fast.
And that, obviously, that metal in the middle is a very tough metal.
Yes, it's very tough, but
it's a little, you've got a pipe on a brand new one, the little tiny metal rod in the middle that holds all the magnesium.
That holds all this together, yeah. And it just like I said, the minerals in the water just eat at this instead of eating at the tank.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.